Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Hi traders, Anthony here. Okay, we've got the US 100. A few things going on here. We've got this level here on the daily, so I'll just mark that up, 1D. Just want to kind of keep this short and sweet if possible. I mean, there's a lot going on here. There's a lot going on. We've got this level back here as well, point of interest for future reference, and I'll mark that as a daily bullish. We've also got this candle here. Have a look left, the high and the low over here. So this whole area in here is looking to get or begging to get filled at some stage. So I'm expecting the market will look to rebalance. It will look to trade back through, looking for sell-side liquidity under and perhaps looking for that. So that's definitely something to be mindful of. Price gap, I'll just mark that up as a 1D. Okay, so that at some stage this is going to look to fill this gap. I want to come back to what's happening up here and just be aware that could be a possibility. If price breaks these lows, then this is going to be a target level down here. If price breaks these lows, what I'll do now is we'll open this up on the 4H. So there's a daily bullish accumulation, right? So we'll go down to the 4H. What we have on this chart is, all right, we've got this nested level. All right, there's a 4-hour level here, support if you want to call it that. So we'll just mark that up, 4H buy. By the way, guys, click the link below and join our Telegram, our free Telegram group. You're most welcome, and I'd love to see you in there. Righto, so we've got this thing going on here. We've got a double bottom that has created a liquidity pool under. Sell-side liquidity, what happens? Smart money rallies and then attacks sell-side liquidity under, and then we get another rally. So we can see, if we look back, we can see this sort of higher highs, higher lows, more or less shaping up here. But we've also got this unresolved imbalance. Just be careful. Around here, we've got this nested level here, daily and 4H. Strong support zone. And what I'm seeing, or what we can see here, is this higher low. All right, so it's reached into this liquidity pool. Come back, we've got this higher low. If this holds here, I'm long. So we've got, at the moment, we have this, well, we'll just pull it through here for now. Right, we've got this range setting up. The thing that I'm interested in is, after this low here has tapped into sell-side liquidity, pushed up, come back, higher low, we've got an imbalance resting here that is inviting a move, 4H, okay, a retrace perhaps, and if you have a look higher, this candle here will take the candle left low and the candle right high, another price gap on the 4H. Mark that up. So I'm very interested, I think, at the moment in a buy opportunity, given that it's trading into this nested level here, 4H1D. If it holds and we start to see, and if it breaks this high, and we start to see higher highs, higher lows forming on the lower time frame, that's a buy opportunity in my opinion. And then we've got this level through here, resistance, that would be a target, 4H, something like that. Right, so I'm thinking that this looks to rebalance, trades back up. And for you Fibonacci traders out there, well, I mean, where do you want to pull your fib? There's a double top here. Pull it down and we get an ideal retrace up into our yellow zone, fills this price gap, reaches for this 4-hour distribution level. So that's one concept, one idea. If we go down to a lower time frame, like, a 3-minute chart, I want to see it break this high and start forming higher highs, higher lows. If it breaks the other way, then here's a target right here, down in there. If it breaks the high, target up here. My sense, I mean, I don't like to trade from gut feeling, but you know, sometimes it that kind of works. I'm seeing this trend on the 4H. What have we got? Well, break of structure to the upside. Break of structure here. Higher low. Okay, interesting. Right, I think my bias would be for buy opportunity from here, but just let it shape up, guys. Don't FOMO in whatever you do. So if we go down to a 3-minute, I'll show you what I'm looking for. Yeah, just clear everything. I think we know where our levels are. On the 3-minute, I'd be looking for, yeah, see this thin leg through here. So we've got this range. Grab that. Let's see if we get. If we see a break, retest, and fail above here, that would be an ideal level to, I think, to get involved. But you want to see it start to push up and then go for broke. Stop loss would be under these lows here. A little bit tight, but I think that would be my play if we see this break this high here. Something like that. Okay, guys. You know, if you want to get adventurous, just wait for that. Not financial advice, but that's my thoughts on the US 100. Click the link below, join Telegram. I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.